What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to set a password on an Excel document. So I'm going to quickly open up Microsoft Excel here on my PC, and I'm going to just quickly make a file, and then I'm going to show you how to set a password. So let's open up a blank document right here, and let's type something within the document. This says it. Let's say this is my document right now. How do I go ahead and set a password for this document? Simply go to file on the upper left hand side, go to info, and here you'll find protect word workbook. Simple click on that, and from here you have the option that says encrypt with password. So you go ahead and click on that, and you can set the password. So for this password I'm going to type ABC, right, and go ahead and click on OK. You will need to re-enter that password again, so I'm going to enter it ABC, and go ahead and click on OK again. Now the password is saved. Right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly save this document as well, and I'm going to save it. Let's go to browse here, and let's say I'm going to save it in my downloads folder, right, and we're going to leave it as workbook 1. Now the document is saved. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and let's open up our downloads folder to find that document. So go to downloads, here's a file, and I'm going to go ahead and open up that file. Once I open it, you can see that it's asking for the password. Again, it requires ABC, right? Go ahead and click on OK, and then we can access the file. And that's it. That's how easy it is to set a password on an Excel file, guys. Very easy and very simple.